Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. And so I'm back out here at Squirrel Park. Haven't been here in a while with anything. This time I'm back out here with a drone. Now this drone, for those of you who are not new to the channel, you know that this drone right here, I had this drone on the channel before in a different color, and I modded it and removed altitude hold from it and all of that stuff. But I just say that to say that this drone here is made by a company called Helic Max. I have a friend, I think he owns this company, and I was trying to explain to him how I would rather have a lot of these drones without altitude hold. And you guys know my plight as far as not being happy with most of these toy grade drones coming out with altitude hold on all of them. Very scarce as far as not having altitude hold or having the ability to toggle it on and off. To make a long story short, I told him that, and he told me there was a demand for altitude hold in these little drones. He said that that was industry standard and it was required, and so he offered to make me a few of these drones without altitude hold. So this one does not have altitude hold. He actually sent me 3 drones. Each of them has no altitude hold, and so this is the first one that I wanted to show on the channel. Still same transmitter and everything, same drone, exact same drone, except for he had the guy that program and create these things to make it without altitude hold. And so we're gonna test it out right now, fly it, see how it flies. I understand that it's not going to be as maneuverable as the one that I modded, because I did a lot of things. I cut the frame and made it lighter and everything. I put beta flight board in it and all of that stuff to have the ability to fly it without self-leveling. But this one is going to have self-leveling, and I think it's at least 2 speeds. There might be 3 speeds, but let's get it in the air. I'm anxious to see how it flies out here at Squirrel Park. Hopefully the battery held out, because I had this thing charged up for about 2 days. So let's turn it on. Turn on the transmitter. Whoop. It sounds like something is rubbing in here. Let me make sure the frame isn't. I think the frame might be bent or something. Excuse me. How you doing? Good, how about you? All right now. Yeah, the frame is a little bent from having it in my bag. Let me see. It should be straight now. Up, still isn't. Okay, the bottom prop hitting the frame down here a little bit. Just gotta bend that out a little bit. Okay, let's get it. So this is low rates here. Okay, so pretty docile on low rates. Let me try to switch it to mid rate. Okay, so I think there is 3 rates. This is the second rate right here. A little bit more pitch. It's flying better than I expected it to fly without altitude hold. I think this flips as well, but let's go to the 3rd rate. Yep, 3 rates. That's the yaw, a little bit faster, a little bit more pitch. I don't know how good the range is on it, but it seems to be doing okay. I hear squirrels dropping stuff out the trees. Okay, let's try to do a flip. Okay, so it climbed on the flip. Okay, it didn't climb too much that time. Might have been me. So the flip is pretty snappy. I only think it does. Whoa. Ah man, I should have just kept going with it. My natural reflex to turn it off when it hits the ground kicked in. Freshly cut grass. You can smell it out here. Okay, let me try to flip again. That's the thing about not having altitude hold. You can let it drop. I don't think it'll recover from so high up dropping far down. So that's full forward against the wind. So it's a nice flyer. Kind of slow, but you don't expect it to be zooming about with this big frame and everything around it and the rider on board, but it's fast enough. Check it out. I'm pretty sure it doesn't flip forward or backwards. Let me try anyway. Nope, it's not going to do any flip forward or backwards. Actually, it's not doing any more flips for me. Yeah, the battery's too low. It's not going to do a flip for me. It's not flashing though. It just won't do a flip. Let me try it again. Maybe. Nope. It flashes to let me know that the battery is too low for it to do a flip. So only normal flight from here on out. But it's not flashing for LVC to bring the quad back down. So that's interesting, that when you reach a certain capacity of battery, it will not let you flip. Pretty cool. I asked my guy what's the protocol, and his response was that it's private. So I guess he don't want us to fly these with multi-protocol transmitters. I think it has headless mode and all of that stuff too, but you guys know I'm not really interested in headless mode unless it's a UFO shaped craft. Then it's pretty fun. Yeah, I can feel the battery getting a little weak now, but this is impressive. I'll show you guys the size of the battery that it's flying on once we reach the LVC and it's forced to land. But as of now, it's been flying for quite some time now. And considering how heavy this thing must be, it's impressive to say the least. It's flashing now. And it went down immediately. I think I could have kept it in the air a little longer, but the momentum of that flight there brought me down. So pretty cool. little drone, no altitude hold. I'll show you guys the others that he sent me. They're pretty cool too. One of them is a perfect trainer to learn how to fly with just auto leveling, no altitude hold. I miss those days of flying quads like this. I forget what this is called. I think it's a Hoverbike from Helic Max. Thanks for watching.